Hello, I'm Rocio and I offer you this audio to constantly cleanse the energy of your home or any other physical space you wish to strengthen. Keep in mind that just like physical cleaning needs to be done often, energy cleansing is also necessary. First, we're going to strengthen the subsurface and the soil. We remove all the tragic events that have occurred in your house and in your parents' house. At 0 minus 0 infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We strengthen these places that have energy for tragic events in the future. We strengthen the internal dynamics, the external dynamics, the internal boundaries, the external boundaries, and the vertices. At 100% with power at infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We make all weaknesses go to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We strengthen the walls, the ceiling, and we balance the energy between ceiling and floor, the subsurface, and we strengthen this balancing. We strengthen the walls, windows, and all corners, inside and outside your home. We strengthen this 100% with infinite power, 100% of the time in infinite time. We remove the energy from those who have already transcended and make them strong enough to travel to other dimensions, existences, time, space, black holes, wormholes in the universe, energy, and dark matter. We remove the resistance of these spirits to remaining in their locations. We erase the resistance of people to letting go of these energies. Make it less than infinite, 100% of the time with infinite time. We strengthen the back of your home, we strengthen the left side, we strengthen the right side, in front, above, and below your home, and those of your relatives. We increase the internal energy therein, so that this internal energy is elevated, and all beings of the lower astral can neither enter nor remain in this place. At 100% with infinite power, 100% of the time with infinite time. We strengthen your house so that the energy influence of the dead in your colony doesn't weaken your house, and your house isn't weakened by the influence of the dead in the surroundings. At 100% with infinite power, 100% of the time with infinite time. We strengthen your house so that no spirit can approach that wants to harm or hurt you or your family, and it doesn't come within 100 meters of your house. We strengthen the internal energy of your house, so this is done at 100% with infinite power, 100% of the time with infinite time. We remove the influence of the dead that other family members of your house have invoked. We strengthen the connection of the parts and dilute that energy and connection. We erase all of this entirely, completely and permanently, making less to be infinite 100% of the time with infinite time. We empower all these beings to be strong to travel to other dimensions, times, existences, dark matter, dark energy, black and wormholes of the universe, and other unknown places. We erase their resistance to being or less than infinite for 100% of the time with infinite time. We strengthen the geometric foundations of your home, that the internal dynamics are just as strong as the external dynamics, that the external dynamics are also just as strong as the internal dynamics. We level both parts. We strengthen the internal boundaries so that they are just as strong as the outer boundaries. And we level them forth and back. The vertices that join each area are strong. We level the interactions of the vertices, and we eliminate the inequality and unevenness that exist in the area of houses. We put the energy inside on the same level as the energy outside. We're leveling the energy of the garage, the garden, the living room, the dining room, the kitchen, any other instance, the bedrooms, the roof, laundry rooms, service rooms, cellars, basements, bathrooms, and that everything's at the same level. We're erasing the inequality, unevenness, and lack of leveling of all these areas. At 0 minus 0 infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're erasing all negative events, negative experiences, negative energy that's been generated through fights, arguments, violence. We're erasing all of this totally, completely, and permanently. And we strengthen all the objects in your house, removing any negative energy they have from top to bottom, from bottom to top, from front to back, from back to front, from inside out, from outside in, from right to left, from left to right, to 0 minus 0 infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We strengthen this erasure so that the negative energy leaves these places and all these objects 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We strengthen the different areas of your house so that they are balanced, centered and stable, and the energy of your house is neutral. We strengthen the erasure of all these negative experiences, thoughts and emotions from you and all the people who have lived there, from all those to whom the house has belonged at any time, including before it was built. We also erase all the energy of the people who have entered and seen your house, with all its cumulative effect in its entirety, completely and permanently at negative 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We strengthen the internal dynamics of the house so it's strong for all the people who come and go, strong so its debilitating energy is neutralized, and that the energy of your house neutralizes the thoughts, emotions, and reactions of the people who visit it, strong at 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We remove anything that prevents, limits, delays, hinders, or blocks this, goes to negative 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We strengthen the internal energy of your home so it is not visible to people who want to rob or hurt you or any member of your family in a physical or non-physical way. We strengthen the energy of the family so it is strong and equal with the energy of the house, and that the energy of the house is strong with the energy of the family. We balance the energy of the house with the family's energy, back and forth, so that everything is strong, balanced, centered, and stable. We boost it so that it is all neutral, 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. May the inner energy, the outer energy, the boundaries and corners be and remain strong. We remove the receiving antenna from everyone living in the house so they don't connect, and connecting with spirits from now and beyond doesn't weaken them, so that these spirits don't connect and weaken your family members. We erase empathy with these spirits to 0 minus 0 infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Restart, recalibrate, reschedule. We restore the house's energy so that it is strong, so that there are no spirits within 100 meters of the house. We strengthen the surrounding grounds, the homes nearby, and the energy of the people that was infused in these places to be erased to absolute 0 all the time with infinite time. We remove pacts, promises, vows, spells, commitments that you've made that undermine your finances, that weaken your relationships, and we send all of this to other dimensions, universes, existences, times and spaces, energy and dark matter, black holes and wormholes of the universe and other unknown places. We program your home to be invisible to dishonest people or those who intend to harm you or your family. We strengthen the internal dynamics, the external dynamics, the internal borders, the external borders, and the vertices to 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. I make you strong to eliminate, strong to release, strong to become independent, strong to let go, strong to protect, strong to forgive, strong to forget, unconditionally to 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram body, mind, and spirit. Thank you so much.